Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to rotate lines in a draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up your diagram and just click on the line you would like to rotate. So let's say it's this line right here. So you click on it, and then what I want you to do is come in the right hand panel, make sure you click on style, and then here next to line, you'll see this drop down. I want you to click on it and you'll see a bunch of options. So you can either do rounded, okay, and you can curve it that way and rotate it, or what you can do is click on the drop down again. You can choose curved, okay. And now this one, it gives you more leeway on rotating your lines as you please, as you can see right here. So that is how you rotate a line in a draw.io.